Chapter on the statement of the Prophet, peace be upon him, I know Allah Almighty better than all of you do. And knowledge is the act of the heart as it is referred to by the statement of Allah, the Mighty and Sublime, but He will call you to account for that which your hearts have earned. Quran chapter 2 verse 225. Narrated Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, whenever Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, ordered the Muslims to do something, he used to order them deeds which were easy for them to do, according to their strength and endurance. They said, O Allah's Messenger, we are not like you. Allah Almighty has forgiven your past and future sins. So Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, became angry and it was apparent on his face. He said, I fear Allah Almighty more and know Allah Almighty better than all of you do.